Welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Myself Priscilla Asade. Today I am going to teach you English grammar of grade 4. So students, do you remember what we have learnt in the last session? Yes, we have finished with our lesson number 18, that is present continuous tense, which tells us the action what is happening now. Okay, so we will just see the recap. Recap was lesson number 18, present continuous tense. This was the thing which we have done in our last session. In that, what we have learned, students, that in present continuous tense means what? Yes, whatever things are happening now, that is a present continuous tense. Now how we will use that? We use is, are, am plus ing form of the verb. Again I will repeat, students, for present continuous tense, what we have to do, if it is singular, okay, that time what we are going to do, we are going to use is plus ing form of the verb. And if it is plural, subject is plural, that time we are going to use are with ing form of the verb. And am goes with the subject I. Now here example I have given you. I am eating a sandwich. I is what? Subject. Am verb. With the original, this is the original form of the verb plus ing form. Okay, so this was all about our recap which we have finished our last session. Today we are going to start with our new lesson, that is lesson number 19, simple past tense. Now what is simple past tense? Whatever things which we have finished already, okay, whatever things has been passed, that is a simple past tense. The actions which we have finished, that is past tense. Now in this, how we will use the past tense form? We use past tense form of verbs. Okay. Now in negative sentence, if we have to write the negative sentence in a past tense form, so what we will do, students? We are going to use, we use did not plus original form of verb. In a sentence, what we have to do? What word is must? Yes, did not is must plus original form of the verb. For example, she did not eat the lunch. Now this was negative sentence. Next is what? In questions. How we will do in questions? That time what we will do? We put did. What we are going to do? In present tense, what we have done, students, do you remember? Yes, we have used does and do. But now in past tense, for questions, which word we are going to use? Did. And that did will come before the subject and original form of verb. Every time you have to use the original form of verb. Example, did they buy all the gifts today? Now in this sentence, can you see, students, this is a question. Now what I have used first? Yes, I have used did, and then I have used the subject, then the original form of the verb and the remaining subject. So this is the way how we are going to do in today's lesson. This was only just an introduction. Now you can open Fun with Grammar book, page number 64. I hope that you are having fun with grammar book with you. You can open page number 64. Now we are going to start with lesson number 19. What is our lesson name, students? Yes, it is simple past tense. These were the things which we are going to learn today. Ready, students? Okay. I hope that you are having pencil, eraser along with you. So before we start, again I will just give you the introduction. Introduction already I have given you. Again I will just explain you in detail. What is simple past tense? Today we are going to learn lesson number 19, simple past tense from grammar section. Now here one boy is there. His name is Harsha. Okay. Now it was Harsha's birthday yesterday. Let us hear from him what happened on that day. Now Harsha is telling or explaining some things which had happened on his birthday, and his birthday was yesterday, and today he is explaining. Means the time which he is explaining, that all the things that is now in past tense. Now what he is telling? I woke up early. About which action he is telling now? He is telling all about yesterday when his birthday was there. I woke up early. Who woke up early? Yes, Harsha. My parents wished me happy birthday. They gave me many gifts. I did not know that my parents had bought so many presents for me. I wondered, when did they buy all the gifts? In the evening, my friends came to my birthday party. My grandparents also came and they brought a cycle for me. Now here we can see he has told everything that has happened on his birthday. What he said first? That he woke up early. Now this woke. Then afterwards what happened? His parents wished him happy birthday. Then they gave, what they gave him? Yes, they gave him gifts. He was not knowing, he did not know that my parents had bought. I wondered, did, buy, came, again came and brought. See, whatever words are in bold, can you see? Okay, whatever words are in bold, that are all in which tense, students? Yes, past tense. So the verbs in these sentences are in simple past tense and we use them to express the action that took place some time ago. This was not the thing, this was not the action that was happening, or it was that time, it was the action that has already been finished. That actions took place some time ago. So this was all about the yesterday. Okay, understood what is simple past tense? Now in simple past tense, what we are going to do? We are going to use past tense form of verbs. Now where you will get all these past tense form of verbs? Do you remember, students, I have told you page number 53, 54, 55. See, do you remember I have told you this page number 53, 54 and 55 to learn? In that I told you that simple past tense was very important. If you learn that, then only you will be able to solve all this, or you will be able to know how the words are being transferred into past tense forms. Can you see here some verbs are given? This is the original form of verb and then they have been turned into the past tense form. And for this, it is very important that you have to learn all that past tense form which has been given on page number 53, 54, 55. If still you have not learned, now it is the time that you have to have that words. Okay, so now here we can see how many verbs are given. Yes, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we will see the past tense form of each verb. First is wake. What is the past tense of wake? Woke. Wish, wished. Most of the time when we are making a past tense form, that time we are adding ed, but in some words it is totally different. Write, wrote. Come, came. Bring, brought. Understood? Again I will repeat. What is the past tense form of the given verbs? Wake, woke. Wish, wished. Write, wrote. Come, came. Bring, brought. Understood, students, what was there in this? Now I hope that you have understood what is simple past tense. Now when we are going to solve that, we are going to change the verbs into simple past tense. That time it is very necessary that you should know all the past tense form of the verb. Now we will move on to the exercise. This was all about the past tense. Ready, students, to solve the exercise? Okay. Come to the same page, page number 64, exercise A. Take pencil in your hand. Now we are going to solve the exercise. What is exercise A? Here what they have told, you have to change the verbs. Okay. Again I will repeat. You have to change the verbs into which tense? Simple past tense, and rewrite the sentence. Okay. Here I will write the sentence over here. Okay. If you want, you also write here itself in a small handwriting. Okay. Ready? Now change the verbs. Change the verbs means now when you are reading the sentence, it is very important that you should be able to recognize what is a verb over here. Now I like ice cream. What is a verb over here? Yes, like. So what will be my answer? Now this verb I will change. This is the original form of the verb. Okay. Now I am going to change into simple past tense. So what is the past tense of like? Yes, it is liked. So I will write I like ice cream. Now my sentence is in which tense, students? Yes, it is in simple past tense. Next, I walk to school. Then what I am going to do? I am only going to add ed to my verb. I walked to school. I hope you are writing along with me. It is very easy. The full sentence will be as it is. Only you have to change the verbs into simple past tense. Third, I'll wait for you. You just copy down in your book. Okay, next, Sonali buys flowers for her mother. What is a verb over here? Yes, buy. So, what is the past tense of buy, students? Yes, it is bought. Flowers for her mother. Jyoti rides a bicycle. What is the verb over here? Rides. Okay? Ride. What is the past tense of ride? Rode. Jyoti rode a bicycle. Next, she writes a letter to her father. So what is the past tense of write? She wrote a letter to her father. Okay, so this is the way how we will write the simple past tense, how we will change the simple present tense into simple past tense. Only we have changed the verbs into simple past tense, and then I have rewrite the sentence. Done, students? Only what I have changed, can you see here? Liked, walked, bought, rode, wrote. Okay, now we will move on to the next. What is next? Negative sentence. Now, how we will change the negative sentence into a simple, how we are going to write the negative sentence in a simple past tense form. Already I have introduced you how we have to do in negative sentences. In negative sentences, it is very simple. Only we will use did not. Okay, what I am going to use? Did not. But along with that, what I am going to do? I am not going to make that verb into past tense. I am going to use the original form of the verb. Whatever the original form of the verb is there, only I am going to use. Again I will repeat, students, with did not, I am going to add the original form of the verb. Is that clear, students? Okay. Now here we can see the examples. A. She did not eat lunch. Can you see here? Did not and eat. It is not ate. If it is ate, then it will become past tense. Here they have done what they have done. Along with the did not, they have used the original form of the verb. Again, she did not go out yesterday. Now this is also the original form of the verb along with the did not. Okay. Next thing, one more thing we have learned in our introduction part, that was in questions. What we have to do? Yes, in question, first word is did. What we are going to do? We will put did before the subject. Till here what we have done, we used to take the subject before. Now here what we are going to do, we are going to use the did before the subject and then use the original form of the verb. And you can see here one example. Okay, already have taken this example. Again you can see, did they buy all the gifts today? Can you see here? Yes, did is what? Yes, did we are going to take in question first, then they is what? Subject. So did is come before the subject and the original form of the verb, that is buy. But what is the past tense of buy? What? They have used what over here? No, they have used the original form of the verb. All the gifts today, the same sentence will come here. Understood, students, how we have to do? How we have to make the sentences into negative and how we have to make the questions in a simple past tense. Okay, you can come to page number 65 to solve the exercise. Page number 65. Fill in exercise B, filling the blanks with the past tense of the verbs given in the bracket. What they have done, students, over here, they have given here one sentence, okay, and here they have told us to fill the blanks with the help of the verb which they have given over here in brackets. So that words are in the original form of the verb, and that verb now I am going to change into simple past tense. Ready, students? Okay. I dash a beautiful painting in the shop. What is the verb given over here? Yes, see. So what will the past tense of see? Yes, I saw. Got it? Yes. Just write down in your book. Next, I dash my pocket money on books. What is the verb given over here? Spend. So what I am going to write? Spent. I spent my pocket money on books. Third, Kunal dash a letter to his sister who was in Chennai. What is the verb given over here? Write. And what is the past tense of write? Wrote. Fourth, Neelam dash to return the books. Neelam dash to return the books. What is the verb? Come. So the past tense of come is came. Mrs. Verma dash us English in school. Teach. What is the past tense of teach? Yes, taught. Now how you will get all these past tense forms of verb? Yes, you have to learn that page 53, 54 and 54. Then only you will be able to write this on your own. You should not by heart all this. Okay, you have to by heart that full page. 48 words are there, I think, and I told you to make the chart also for that. Done? Okay. Now what we are going to do? We are going to make the following sentences negative. Ready? Done with exercise B? Okay. Now we will come to exercise C. What is there in exercise C? They have told that you have to make the following sentences negative. Now can you tell me the given sentences is in which tense? Make the following sentences negative. So can you tell me the given sentence, the bus reached on time, is in which tense? Yes, it is in past tense, simple past tense, and now we have to make it into negative. Now what is the rule for that? Yes, we have to use did not after the subject plus the original form of the verb. Can you tell me, students, what is verb over here? Yes, it is reached. And what is the original form of verb? Reach. So shall I write? The answer is yes, the bus did not plus the original form of verb, that is reach on Okay, it is very easy. Only you have to use did not and you have to make that verb into the original form of verb. Again, don't write here reach. That question, the sentence will go wrong. These are the small things which you have to keep in your mind. Now next, Meena. Meena called Soma last evening. So after subject I am going to write did not. Meena did not. What is the original form of verb for called? Yes, call. Meena did not call Soma last evening. You have to be fast, write fast. You can write in small handwriting. Next, Mrs. Sen taught us music. Yes, again Mrs. Sen did not. What is the original form for this taught? Yes, teach us music. I hope that you are getting it. Next, they went to the doctor immediately. Then what I am going to write? Yes, they did not. What is the original form for went of the verb? Yes, it is go. They did not go to the doctor. The remaining words will come as it is. Full stop is must. Next, Mona wrote the answers neatly. Mona, very good, did not. What is the original form of this verb wrote? Very good, it is write. Write the answers neatly. Done, students? Okay, copy it fast. Done? Okay. Now we are going to see exercise D. What is there in exercise D, student? Yes. What we have learned after negative? We have learned the questions. Yes or no? Now here, complete the dialogues using the question words given in brackets. What they have done over here? You have here some dialogue is been given. So that you have to make it in question with the help of the questions whichever is given in the bracket. And that time you have to remember what I have taught you. Yes. In question what we are going to do? First we are going to write the question, then subject, and then the original form of verb and the remaining sentence. Okay? Are you ready, students? Yes. One example they have done for us. What did you, sorry, I had a sandwich for breakfast. Okay? And what is the word given over here? What. So, with the help of what? How they have done, see? What, first question, did, then subject, the original form of verb have for breakfast. Whatever is the answer that will not come in question. These I told when we were doing the simple present tense also. When we are writing question, only question will come. Here you can see I had a sandwich. Sandwich is the answer for that question. So here you are not going to write the answers and answer, only the question, because we are asking question. What did you have for breakfast? The answer is I had a sandwich for breakfast. Now we will start with our exercise. I hope that you have completed that exercise. See. Okay, ready? Exercise D. The organizers held the match yesterday. Again I'll repeat the question. The sentence, the organizers held the match yesterday. Now what is the question? What is the word given over here for us as a hint? Yes, they have told us to use the word when. So I will write that first. In question, WH questions will come here. When. Then again, yes, did. For past tense we are going to use the word did, and in present tense we are going to use does or do. So keep this in your mind. So when did. Now what is the subject over here, students? Yes, the organizer. Now the will come in middle, so the T will be small. When did the organizers hold the held. Held is in past tense. I'll make it the original form. And for this, what is important? Very good. Question mark. So this is my answer. This will not come. Got it? Everyone? Again, when did the organizer? First question, then did, then the subject, then the original form of the verb, and the remaining, that is the predicate, the match. What is the answer? That will not come in this question. I hope that you have understood how I have done. Okay. Next, his father dropped him at the bus stop. Again, I'll repeat the sentence. His father dropped him at the bus stand. What is the verb? What is the question? Hint given for us? Yes. Where? So, first I'll write that where. Then, yes, as it is past tense, we are going to use did. Then my subject is his. Now when I am writing his, here it is capital. So you don't use capital over here, because now here his has come in between the sentence. Okay? His father. Now what is dropped? Original form of drop? Very good. It is drop him. Where he dropped him? At the bus stand. So this will not come over here. Okay? So my question will be till here. Where did his father drop him? Question mark. Question mark is very important. Understood, student? Okay. Third. Why? What is the question given over here? Why? Mansi called her father because the teacher wanted to meet him. So my question will start from the word why. Why did Mansi call her father? What did? Again, why did Mansi call her father? Who came to meet Jeet? Next, how, then did, then subject, travel to Shimla. Okay? I hope that you have done till here. So what we have learned today, students? Shall I revise it? Copy it first, then I will go for revision part. Okay, I will go for revision. What we have learned today? Yes, we have learned the simple past tense talk about action which took place some time ago. Again, I will repeat. Today we have learned simple past tense. The simple past tense talks about actions which took place some time ago. And then in the simple past tense, what we use? Past tense form of verb. And again, what we have learned, students? In negative sentences, we use Yes, we use did not plus original form of verb. And then in questions, what I am going to do, students? I am going to use did plus subject plus original form of verb. I hope that you have understood this lesson very clearly. Now we will see the animation part of this lesson. Are you ready, students?
Chapter 20. Simple past tense. It was Harsha's birthday yesterday. Let us hear from him what happened on that day. I woke up early. My parents wished me happy birthday. They gave me many gifts. I did not know that my parents had bought so many presents for me. I wondered, when did they buy all the gifts? In the evening, my friends came to my birthday party. My grandparents also came and they brought a supper for me. The verbs in these sentences are in the simple past tense. We use them to express actions that took place some time ago. In the simple past tense, we use the past tense form of verbs. Examples: verb, past tense form. Wake, woke. Wish, wished. Write, wrote. Come, came. Bring, brought. In negative sentences, we use did not plus original form of the verb. Examples: A. She did not eat lunch. B. She did not go out yesterday. In questions, we put did before the subject and use the original form of the verb. Example: did, they, buy, all the gifts today. Did plus subject plus original form of the verb.
So in this way we have finished with our today's lesson, that is simple past tense. So students, what you have to do in order to understand how to make the simple past tense form of verb, again I will repeat that page number 53, 54 and 55. Can you see this middle column? That you have to by heart it, then only you will be able to do any of the verb into past tense form of verb. Thank you. Have a good day.